brick build, functionally designed and laid out perfectly, this is the ultimate in family living. A great neighbourhood, quiet cul-de-sac and room for the kids to play, 10 Cicada Close has it all. Out the back is where all the entertaining is done, with an in-ground pool, spacious undercover area and manicured lawns, all visible from the dining, kitchen and living. Families are going to love it. There are 4 good-sized bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, solar panels to ease the pain of electricity bills and a large shed, perfect to store the boat. Located in Cicada Close, you are so close to Tewantin State School, local shopping facilities and the Noosa River. With not $1 to be spent, you will love living here.